Hey guys, hi, this is Parul and welcome back to my channel. Guys, I know you're fed up of being in quarantine and not going out to your favorite restaurants or trying out your favorite cuisines. So today's recipe is going to be tandoori style aloo, but it's almost tandoori because I'm going to use a pan here. So let me show you how it's done.
Let's start by preparing the marination paste first. For that I'm taking handful of mint and coriander leaves. And then in the blender I'm going to add 7 to 8 garlic cloves, 8 to 10 medium green chilies and 1 inch ginger. And guys, one thing to keep in mind, we are blending this without any water. Now our marination paste is ready, so we'll transfer this to a bowl and add 3/4 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of black salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of red chili powder and 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Also in this we'll squeeze lemon juice from half lemon. Next we are going to add 2 tablespoons of roasted sattu powder or roasted gram flour. Let's mix everything together. Also in the marination mix, let's add 1 teaspoon of curd. Now our marination mix is ready and it's time to marinate our vegetables. For this I have diced onions, capsicum of red and green color, and now let's mix it with the paste. Also I have boiled potatoes. I have boiled 2 medium sized potatoes here. I'm going to add this in the mix as well. Guys, while you're applying the marination paste to your boiled potatoes, be very careful as they're delicate and they can break. Now that marination paste is applied to all the potatoes, we'll keep it for marination for 15 to 20 minutes, the veggies and potatoes both. Now let's take a smoking hot pan and add all the potatoes one by one. Also let's add 1 teaspoon of oil and roast all the potatoes from both sides. And once it's done from both sides, we can transfer it to our dish. Next, we are going to repeat the same steps for capsicum and onions and roast it nicely from both the sides. And once it's done, it will look like this. And let's serve this in a plate. And our dish is ready.
Ta-da! Our dish is now ready. You don't need to go out anymore. Stay home, stay safe. Also, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll be back soon with another one. Till then, toodles!